Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should know up front, I can't walk you through changing an Android IMEI because it's illegal or prohibited in many places and it can harm devices. Instead, start by documenting the problem and collecting receipts, device model, and current IMEI using settings or *#06#. Once done, I'll guide you through lawful next steps like checking warranty status and preparing information to present to carriers or manufacturers, so you get legitimate support and repairs. Make sure to pursue legal technical remedies next. Contact the phone manufacturer with your proof of purchase if the device shows wrong or corrupted identifiers. They can reflash or repair under warranty. Also contact your carrier if the device is blocked or reported. Carriers can clear errors or advise on replacement. Once you've backed up data, consider an official factory reset and only use vendor-supplied firmware tools to restore software integrity rather than third-party hacks that risk legal. If those steps don't resolve the issue, escalate through formal channels. File a repair ticket or consumer complaint with your country's consumer protection agency and include IMEI, receipts, and correspondence. That creates an official record. Use certified repair centers only. They can legally replace components and document changes. And if you suspect theft or fraud, report to law enforcement with device identifiers. Troubleshooting tip: if a vendor says a change is required, ask for written authorization before any service is performed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.